Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Smartsheet to build a simple app experience step by step clearly. To begin configuring Smartsheet for a simple app experience, log in to your Smartsheet account. Once logged in, navigate to the Home tab on your Smartsheet dashboard. Click on the Create New button to start a new Smartsheet. Choose the option to create a blank sheet. Name your sheet according to the purpose of your app experience. Next, define the columns you will need for your app. Consider the data types required for each column, such as text, date, or dropdown. After setting up the columns, click on Column Properties to adjust settings like formatting options. Now, add a few rows to insert sample data or set up the framework for future entries. If you plan to incorporate forms, click on the Forms tab and select Create Form. Customize your form by adding fields. Ensure that you enable any conditional logic if applicable, to streamline user responses. Once satisfied with the form design, save your changes and share the form link with users. Next, head over to the Automation tab to create any necessary workflows. Identify the triggers that will initiate these workflows based on user actions or data changes. Set the desired actions for each trigger, ensuring that they align with the app experience you envision. After configuring automation, review the permissions settings to control who can access and edit the sheet. Share the Smartsheet with your team members or collaborators, granting them appropriate access. Make sure to test the form and any workflows you've set up to ensure they function as intended. Gather feedback from users and make adjustments to improve the overall experience. Lastly, keep the sheet updated with any new features or improvements as you receive user input. This step-by-step process allows you to effectively configure Smartsheet for a simple app experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.